Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mario in the building like always, man. Today I got another banger video for y'all, man. No cap, man. So I'm just gonna get right into the video, man. No cap. So basically, a lot of people ask me how I get my freeforms like this. They not perfect or nothing, but you know, this is a good way to start off my freeform. So basically, y'all, this video not gonna be long. It's gonna be a small little video. But look, basically, what you need is you need a sponge, you feel me? I use 2 sponges for my hair, you feel me? I use 2 sponges for my shit. And you need like some locking gel, you feel me? This is all you need. Don't use none of that extra shit. Don't use this shit right here, this curly shit. You can use Supergirl. You can use this Supergirl right here. You can use this twisting shuffle right here, you feel me? You can use those 2, but you definitely need this if you want your hair to look like mine, you feel me? And like I said, for the people that's watching this video, bro, my hair is only 1 weekend, you feel me? Today makes it 1 day, no cap. But if you're new to the channel, sub, like, turn on notifications, man. Y'all know the vibes go crazy, go stupid, bro. Let's get it. So basically what you want to do is just pick your, if you got like a big ass fro, like this is for people with all types of hair, you feel me? You got high, medium, low hair, you feel me? As long as you could twist your shit, you good, bro. You straight, you Gucci like water, you feel me? I pull up and fucking your daughter, you feel me? Let me quit playing, bro. Let me quit playing. But look, basically what you want to do is get this, right? Just get enough of your hair, bro. Just get enough that you think is enough. It's never enough of anything, but you want to just get enough for you feel me? So you want to get it, you want to slap it on the sponge. Just get it, a handful, slap it on a sponge, rub it around, and you want to just get the twisting, you feel me? Like just keep twisting. And what you want to do basically is just go in the same spot every time. Don't go in like no big ass circle and keep doing it. No, you want to go in the same spot, you feel me? So like just small ass circle, you feel me? Just keep doing it, and then basically your shit would just start twisting on its own, you feel me? Some of it will, some of it won't, but what you gotta do is just grab it and just twist it with your hands, you feel me? Just go in that same motion, you feel me? So the way you twist in the sponge is just keep going in that way, that direction, you feel me? So that's all you gotta do, bro. No cap. When y'all go to sleep, make sure y'all use like a wave cap, because a wave cap keep your hair in place, unlike do-rags and all that other shit, man. It's gonna really fuck up your shit. But basically why you need to sleep in this is because it just, like, if you sleep without it, or if you sleep like with a do-rag on, it just makes your hair just look all weird, you feel me? Oh, and also when you wake up in the morning, say you sleep with this or you don't sleep with it, your hair might look weird, bro, but don't worry, that shit's normal, bro. So what you gotta do is basically, this is what I do when I wake up. So basically I sleep with this on, right? So I wake up, I instantly go in the bathroom, I get the sponge in my shit because my shit be looking weird, right? And then I just sponge it for like damn near a long ass time till like it just look until like how I want it to, like, y'all get what I'm saying, like the way I want it to look. And that's pretty much it, bro. If that shit don't work, what you could do is take a hot ass shower, right? Take a hot ass shower and just don't wet your hair, you feel me? And then when you get out, just sponge your hair, you feel me? Like it's gonna work perfect, you feel me? It's gonna hide your hair like y'all. I don't even know why I be trying to explain myself. I'm making myself look dumb in these videos. Pretty much it for this video, bro. Hopefully I explained this video to y'all clear enough, you feel me? I'ma just go ahead and just do the rundown, you feel me? Basically what you need to do, pick your hair out, sponge it with this with the locking gel, you feel me? Don't wash your hair, sleep with a wave cap, and when you wake up, sponge your hair to the way you like it. And that's pretty much it for this video, you feel me? I just explained it that quick, you feel me? But look, that's pretty much it. If y'all new to the channel, sub, like, turn on notifications, man. Y'all know the vibes go crazy, go stupid. More tutorials on the way, more skits, more reaction videos, pranks, all of that, man. No cap. Make sure y'all share this video with y'all friends and family, bro. No cap. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I'm out.